Well, if you've ever seen that dreaded invalid partition table error when booting or starting up Windows, then you are in the right place. I'm Datos and welcome to Ultra Blue Tech, where we demystify the world of tech, one byte at a time. Today we are tackling a classic Windows boot issue that can stop you in your tracks, the invalid partition table error. It sounds scary, but I promise it's easier to fix than trying to untangle a drawer full of old charging cables. So in this video, I'll walk you through a simple beginner-friendly fix. We'll start with a quick explanation of what a partition table is and why it is so important for Windows to start up. Then I'll show you exactly how to boot into a system using a different method to bypass this error. The first thing you need to do is reboot your system. As it starts to power on, you need to quickly press the key that takes you to your boot menu. This key is different for every computer. It could be F2, F12, F10, or even the delete key. So keep an eye on the button for your screen as the computer boots up. It usually tells you which key to press. So in my case, it's the F10 key, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit the F10 repeatedly until I see the boot menu. So once you're in the boot menu, you'll see a list of devices you can boot from. The reason you are seeing the invalid partition table error is because your computer's BIOS is trying to boot from a specific partition on your hard disk drive, but it is getting confused. Think of a partition table like a table of contents for your hard drive. It tells your computer where to find the Windows operating system. When this table gets corrupted or confused, your computer doesn't know where to look. But here's the cool part. Your computer can also boot directly from your USB drive, bypassing that problematic partition table. So look for your USB drive in the list or simply boot from the device you installed your Windows on. So in my case, I'm still having my USB drive in, so I'm going to select my USB drive. If you had installed it on a different partition, you should have just tried it. Otherwise, you could try each and every single partition to see which one your Windows on if you can't remember where exactly you kept it. So simply use your arrow keys to highlight your USB drive and then you press enter. So this is going to go ahead and tell my computer that, hey, forget about the hard drive and I want you to boot directly from the USB. And just like that, you should see Windows booting up normally and you successfully bypass the error by telling your computer to use a different working boot path. It's a simple trick, but it is a lifesaver when you are stuck. So you're now inside your Windows system, ready to get back to work. This fix is temporary, it gets you booted up, and in the future videos I will explore more permanent solution and how to prevent this issue from happening again. So if this video helped you solve that tricky invalid partition table error, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Ultra Blue Tech for more easy to follow beginner friendly tech tutorials. If you got any questions that you want me to tackle, drop a comment below and I will see you in the next video. Stay curious, peace out.